Greetings everyone and welcome. My name is Corinna from the Boho Abode, and today I am so excited to be joining the DIY Mommies DIY and Decor Organization Challenge. For my video, I'm going to be sharing a dollar store DIY, and it is this gilded floral jewelry hanger. And I'm super excited with how it turned out, and I can't wait to show you how I made it. So let's jump into the tutorial. For this project, you'll need a couple of items from the dollar store. The first place you'll want to hit is the floral section, and there I found an Easter pick, and I liked that for the plastic leaves on that. And then I also picked up some white faux roses, these mini yellow faux roses, and this bundle of daisy flowers. Then you'll want to head over to the hardware section and pick up this metal hanger rack. This will make the perfect base for our jewelry hanger. You'll also need a hot glue gun, and I do pick up my glue sticks from the dollar store, and the only item you can't get there is the Rust-Oleum metallic finish bright coat spray paint. So the first thing that we'll need to do once we have all of our supplies is to pull all of the flowers and leaf pieces that we want to use on our hanger off of the bundles. Once we have all of the pieces pulled off that we want to use on our jewelry hanger, we then just need to remove all of the hardware and tags from the hanger, and then it's the fun part. We're going to arrange the flowers in a way that we want them glued down, and so I decided I wanted it fullest in the center and then to taper off on the sides. So I used 2 plastic leaf pieces from the mini rose bundle and stuck those on the sides, and then in the center I have the single rose, the 2 daisy flowers, and then I sprinkled the mini roses around the leaves on the sides. Once we've decided where we want everything to sit, then we just need to use our hot glue gun to set it all in place. I found it easiest to clip off the nubs on the bottoms of the flowers so that they would sit easier on the metal, and I also found that I needed to clip a couple of the leaves on the fern-looking pieces so that the mini roses could be glued down to the metal. Once everything is glued down and dry, it's time to take it outside for spray paint. I like to use a box for this step to keep everything contained. For the fabric flowers, you're going to want to make sure you go at it from a couple of different angles to make sure everything gets coated well and none of the color peeks through. And the plastic pieces, those are going to get ultra shiny, so make sure you find some pieces like that because they look really cool with the spray paint. If you only have a few light pieces of jewelry, you can hang this with some simple picture hanging hooks. I get mine from the dollar store, or you can use the included screws that come with it if you're going to be hanging some heavier pieces. You get 5 different hooks to play with, so I organized mine by choker style, long style, daintier necklaces, and statement necklaces. I had an extra one left over, and for that, I'm using it for bracelets. appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video to make sure more of my videos show up in your recommended, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. That's going to be it from me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to chat with you again soon. Bye!